Hey everybody, this is Robert Mack with Irvine Real Estate Link, your link to the information that you need to make the right decisions. So today I want to talk to you about, can you as a buyer looking to buy a property in Irvine, Orange County, can you prove to your lender that you can qualify for a loan? Can you show the lender without a shadow of a doubt that you can actually pay back your loan on time for the next 30 years? Now the reason why I bring this up is because I work with buyers all the time and I come across very unique situations. Now, from time to time, I'm working with a client who has a stable job, great income, great credit, no problem, they qualify. But there's always a time that I work with a buyer who has a more unique situation where there may be a divorce involved, or maybe they own another property. And the bottom line is, they tell me they can afford the property, and I have no doubt they can afford the property. But if you can't prove to your lender without a shadow of a doubt that you can pay back your loan on time every single month, and that the ratios of how much you make versus how much you actually have to pay for your home, all inclusive, if those don't make sense, then you're not going to get approved. And I want to bring this up because it's so important right now. A lot of agents are showing properties to buyers who are not pre-approved. And what's happening is that when you open escrow, the transaction falls apart because they didn't do the due diligence prior to opening escrow, and that can waste a lot of time, and that can waste a lot of money. On top of that, it's definitely very frustrating for the buyer, not to mention the seller and the agents involved. So if you're working with an agent and you haven't been pre-approved, you may want to take a step back and make sure you get it done, whether it takes 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, or 1 month. Because opening escrow and not being fully pre-approved and just going off of, I'm sure I qualify, I have good credit, I have good income, if you can't prove without a shadow of a doubt that you have enough money to cover your monthly payment, even though you do, if you can't prove it, your loan's just not going to get approved. And you know, I see this happen all the time, and I see escrows fall apart all the time, and it's really just frustrating for everybody involved. So, the message for today, if you're looking for a property and you haven't been pre-approved, stop what you're doing and get pre-approved, because without that fully underwritten pre-approval to make sure that you know you qualify and your lender has given you the thumbs up that you qualify, you could be wasting your time. And I hate to see that happen. I see it happen a lot, and it's just really unmotivating and frustrating for buyers, and I'd hate to see that happen. So just take the necessary steps, avoid that frustration, and get pre-approved. It's free, there's no obligation. And if you need a lender, we work with many great lenders, whether it's a broker, whether it's a larger bank. You let us know what you're looking for, and we'll definitely lead you in the right direction. That's my message for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you've had issues, if you like this video, if you've had frustrations with the pre-approval process, go ahead and leave a message below. I'd love to hear your comments, your feedback. It encourages me to create even more videos to help you guys out. Check out my website, irvinerealestatelinkcom, for so many great buyers and sellers resources. And I'll talk to you soon.